Hi friends, today I am with a new video. In this video we are talking about the ROG Phone 3 versus iPhone 11 Pro. Both are flagship in their own segment, how the phone differentiates, and we will talk about the PUBG gaming, especially on both the smartphone. As you can see, there is a huge difference in the display. We will talk about that later on, but comparing one side by side, you can see that ROG is very huge. It comes around 6.59 inches, around 6.6 inches, and whereas the iPhone 11 Pro comes for 5.8 inches. Now talking about the processor, the ROG 3 phone comes with the octa-core processor Snapdragon 865, whereas the Apple is running on hexa-core processor, which is Apple A13 Bionic chipset. If we talk about the RAM and the memory, currently I am holding the phone which is having 8GB of RAM, 128GB internal storage, whereas the Apple is coming with the 4GB, 64GB. So it is almost double what ROG is offering and what I am holding in hand. If we talk about the Antutu score, here also the ROG Phone 3 is winning clearly. If we talk about the OS, ROG is running on Android 10 with ROG UI, whereas Apple is running on iOS 13. To be precise, it can be set as iOS 13.6. If we talk about the sensors, I will show you the sensors what are present. So you can see Apple is currently offering all the sensors. In ROG also, you are getting all the sensors excluding the temperature sensor, heart rate sensor, pressure sensor and humidity sensor. So skipping this part, I have already showed you what is the difference between the Antutu benchmark score. If we talk about the 3D benchmark score, I will like to show you that also, so that you guys can have the idea of different benchmark score. I have taken the screenshot separately and showing you because it is little bit difficult in Apple to switch and show all the benchmark together. Now you can see the display difference. If we come to the display again, the ROG 3 is offering AMOLED display, whereas the iPhone 11 Pro is offering Super Retina XDR, which is a OLED display. This is only display which is offering the OLED display. If we talk about few more things, the ROG 3 is coming with 144 Hz refresh rate, as the iPhone is offering 60 Hz refresh rate. So this is the refresh rate which you are getting difference. Also in ROG you are having the game mode, and while playing the game you can definitely feel a little bit different. You can block the notification, you can even boost your gameplay, and currently if you see the settings, I will go and show you the PUBG settings. So if we go to the graphics, both support HDR graphics and frame rate up to extreme. So this is what you are getting. I will also show you in the iPhone also. So I'm switching to HDR, and here you can see it is up to extreme you can go. This is the maximum graphics. If you change to smooth also, you are still getting extreme. So graphics support is definitely available for both the smartphones. Now coming to the weight also, the ROG 3 is weighing around 240 grams, whereas the iPhone 11 Pro is weighing around 188 grams. So this is also the weight difference while playing the game. It is not only small, the iPhone 11 Pro, but also a little bit lighter weight than ROG Phone 3. Now I will start playing the PUBG game in both the smartphone and also switch the audio simultaneously, so that you can check which audio is better in both the smartphones.
Team match, let's go.
First point for the red team.
Nice shot.
some of the information I missed, I will tell you that also. So ROG Phone 3 comes with the 5G network support, whereas the iPhone 11 Pro comes with the 4G network support. The ROG 3 comes with the 6000 mAh battery plus 30-watt charger, hypercharger in the box. If we talk about the iPhone, it comes with a 3046 mAh battery and comes with the 18-watt fast charging in the box. So definitely there is a difference between battery and the charging adapter. But also remember that ROG comes with a 144 Hz refresh rate, where if you talk about the 11 Pro, it comes with 60 Hz refresh rate and also the display is smaller, so battery consumption will be less compared to Asus ROG 3. So this is what we are having in the difference. So there's a huge difference while playing both the smartphones. If you play in ROG Phone 3, it is just a buttery smooth. You get a lot of options, lot of customization. Whereas in iPhone 11 Pro, it is little bit simpler, but definitely it can handle the game up to the extreme graphics what is supported in Asus ROG Phone 3. It is due to the Apple iPhone is running on the iOS, which gives you that much flexibility. So this is all about in this video. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.